just wait a minute. Hey, my beauties, this is Cece and Stanley. Say hi, Stanley. This is Cece and Stanley. We are going to try the Lay's potato chip taste test. So, yes, that's Rosie. So the first chip we're going to taste is the Lay's New York Reuben.
Would y'all like to watch the baseball game?
No, they don't want to watch the baseball. No, they don't. Okay. They don't even watch the game. Now this is the New York Reuben.
Okay, so you're my best friend. We need to have a talk about cleanliness. Not sure I
They're
follow.
pretty good.
Oh,
They taste like a barbecue chip.
let go.
Yeah,
Right?
good.
Sound
They
really
smell like a
good.
barbecue chip,
Isn't
too.
independent.
Let me
Stuck
try
in
another.
traffic, gas, parks on
Make
the
sure you
pavement.
like it,
It's
huh?
chill.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's almost got a dill taste to it too.
Well, it's supposed to taste like a Reuben sandwich, so it do have a little deal on it. Okay, y'all.
Because you gotta wait y'all finish this and take a sip of wine.
Okay. The next one we're going to try is the Lay's Wavy West Coast Truffle Chips. Now, this one I really wanted to taste because truffle fries. Because I like fries with different toppings on it and stuff. Now, Stanley says we had to drink some water to get the flavor out of our mouth.
Yeah, that's clear your taste buds.
Okay. So, now this one, these are the truffle fries.
It's rough and rich. It tastes like a,
They smell a little different.
they taste like, what's that I want to say? Onion. What is that? Yeah.
Sour cream and onion chip.
Is that what it is?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's good.
They got that slight taste. I taste garlic too. You taste the garlic?
Yeah, that's the, it's almost, yeah, I can't think of the name of the chip. It's not sour cream and onion, is it?
The cheddar and
Has a little cheddar in it too.
and cheddar chip. Okay. We like these.
I like both of them. I like the Reubens better.
Okay, you got one more.
Oh my God.
Get your water. Okay. Now the next one we're trying is the kettle cooked Greektown gyro. Now we're gonna see about this one.
I don't know if I like anything that got Greek in it. Like the Greek people watching this.
I don't know. It's hard, huh?
I don't care for that texture of the chip.
Oh, it's hard.
I don't like that at all. It looks like, it tastes like it's missing something.
Yeah, it is. It don't even taste like a gyro to me. Does it taste like a gyro to you?
A little bit.
I don't taste the gyro flavor.
I don't taste like a gyro, but
I do taste the Greek seasoning though. Remember we used to use that Greek seasoning?
yeah.
I taste that.
That's true. I don't like hard chips.
Yeah. This one is a no-go. I don't really care for this. I eat it because I like chips, but as far as would I buy this again, the answer is no.
No, I would not buy those. I would buy those two. But if I had a choice between the two, I would buy the Reuben.
Okay, so we have chosen the New York Reuben as our favorite chip, and we're gonna get out of here because Jacory is streaking through the house.
Go get some clothes on, boy.
I want to thank everyone for watching, and remember to be your own kind of beautiful. You have something to say, Stanley?
Just peace out.
All right, later,
God bless all
guys.
of you.